going on, everyone? My name is Robert O'Cook, and right now I'm hanging out in Ubud, Bali. So one of the biggest questions I get asked in the world of the digital nomads is, what kind of remote work can you start doing when you have no experience? And in the link to this, or in the description of this video, I'll include 6 things that you can consider starting right away. You don't need experience for, that are decently well paid. But I want to talk about the best one from that list, the number 1 best opportunity for people who are not sure where to start. They want to start right away, they want to work remotely, and they don't necessarily have a lot of experience or specialized skills. And so this is being a virtual assistant. So hear me out before you're like, oh, I know what a virtual assistant is. Like, I don't want to do that. Because I think I'm going to introduce some unique perspectives about being a virtual assistant that you might not have thought of before. So first off, what is it? Just to make sure we're on the same page. Think about like a personal assistant for someone in real life. Like when you're working next to someone, you have a personal assistant. A good personal assistant will just help you with whatever you need. And a good virtual assistant will do the same. A lot of times they're helping out with things such as, answering emails and kind of customer service related work. Maybe it's updating a page on the website, or booking an appointment for you. It's basically anything you need help with. A virtual assistant can do that for you remotely. And so virtual assistants, what do they get paid? So if you're following some of what I teach in my remote work masterclass, which you can watch for free in the Digital Nomads Forum Facebook group, again, I'll include a link to that in the video description, then even with no experience, no specialized skills, starting out as a virtual assistant, you can easily be earning between $15 to $30 US. So that's pretty awesome to get paid that much with having no experience. Is that, gonna pay for all of your dreams, and is that really an amazing salary for the rest of your life? Maybe not, but it is more than enough for you to be able to then work remotely in a country with a low cost of living and a high quality of life. Like here where I'm living in Ubud in Bali, which to me is like one of the paradises of the world, for 800 or 1,000 US per month, you are living in excellent, really high quality of life. And to earn $800 to $1,000 per month, earning between 15 to 30 US per hour, you can do the math. You don't need to work that many hours per month to make it work. And so you can, work only for 10 hours a week, 15 hours, 20 hours a week, have all those extra hours to enjoy life, explore what you love, and learn new skills, and learn how to kind of be in service to the world through your greatest passion, through whatever it is that you have that's so amazing to share with the world. So being a VA, virtual assistant, is awesome because if you do it intentionally, you're going to get 2 huge benefits. Number 1 is that you can work in the industries and the niches that you actually personally love. If you're a mountain biker like me, or maybe you like yoga and meditation, then those are the people that you can help, because guess what? There's a ton of mountain biking businesses, yoga studios, trainings for yoga, meditation classes. All of these things are happening all over the world, and there's people who need help with the management, with the creation and providing of these services. So you can choose who you're working with, and you can choose to work with people that you want to work with and you find interesting. So the work can be fun, can be relevant, because it's doing what you love, or at least helping people in the world that you love. The second reason it's amazing is because you can be learning new skills constantly. Most of the time, if you're doing good work, you're working hard for your boss as a virtual assistant, then you can ask them to train you on the more specialized and experienced skills that they've developed that they actually wouldn't mind getting your help with, but you don't know how to do it yet. So you ask them, hey, can you show me how to do this? And if you kind of keep that up across multiple clients within a very short time span, like just a few months, you can develop your own experience-based specialized skills. And then, you might have started at $15 to $30 US per hour, but now all of a sudden you become, really good at doing something with social media or graphic design or whatever else. And then you can start to break into that world of offering those services which command a higher hourly rate. So if you're intentional about constantly learning, then you really can be getting a lot of relevant experience in developing new skills that allow you to earn a lot more quickly. So through this constant learning and working in niches and industries that you're interested in, you really can be cultivating and spending your time working on something that's going to be helpful for you in your future, because then you might choose to create something in that hobby, that niche, that industry that you love, and now you've got the relevant skills to actually support you in doing that. So I think being a virtual assistant is my #1 choice for people because of these reasons. With the right attitude, with the right approach, you can start out at a great hourly rate, you can work on projects you care about, and you can learn new skills. Ultimately, it's something you can start without experience, as long as you have the basic kind of knowledge of how to use a computer and a basic level of English. Once you've got it down, you're earning this money remotely, it really gives you the freedom to live again in those places where you don't have to work so many hours a week, and you can create that life of freedom that you want. So if you're wondering how do you actually find work as a virtual assistant, how do you be intentional, how do you be mindful about who you work with, and how do you get them to kind of help you learn those new skills, be sure to join the Digital Nomads forum on Facebook. That's my group. We've got like 9,000 members. I'm in there. Other experienced digital nomads and remote workers are in there, and we'll help you and teach you how to be a super successful virtual assistant. Check out the description for this video for some more info on the stuff mentioned here. Give me a like if this was helpful. Comment if you have any questions at all, and be sure to give me a subscribe if you want more info, tips, tricks in the world of digital nomadism, remote work, and we're creeping into the world of mindfulness slowly but surely. My name is Robert O'Crook. Thank you so much.